Hello. Finally got it working, Jess. I'm super sorry about that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through your program and send everything I need to send over to you. Go through I basically made like a 12, 15-minute video. I can't remember how much. I was jumping up and down. And then the reason why one might have sounded a little bit annoyed and deflated in the check-in, but I said it was because I was so annoyed that I'd literally done so much for it to like not work, and you were my first client, and I was so happy. What I'm going to do is just go through here for the volume workout. So obviously this is how the new check-ins are going to work from now on. So this is basically what we'll be doing. So I'm going to show you your workout here. I will make note that I have all exercise libraries. Okay, so what that means is I can basically send through to you all the exercises here if needs be. This is like a very kind of nice, quick sort of 45 minutes or an hour workout, which you could do at Leisure World. I would love for you to gain the confidence to be able to use this, Jess. And so if you would like me to send you through for your videos, stuff like that, just be my guest. I will eventually create a hyperlink on each one, which you can then click on, and there'll be a video of me doing it, which is, so again, cool. Sorry, I didn't need to tense there, but I just need to tense. So these hamstring curl, they've got a lying hamstring curl in there. They've got a barbell squat, weighted row machine, bent over rows. I actually found out, funny enough, that Leisure World, they're not actually allowing PTs to PT in there from when it starts, which is I found really bad because I used to PT there, and I would leave the gym as soon as possible. But here we've got like a full body workout. So when it says A1, that's just one exercise. B1, one exercise. C1 and C2, that's two exercises back to back. So for example, like a bent over row would be bent over row here, and then into a standing lat raise would be side raises to there. Okay, so that would be what you would need to do there, Jess. If you, like I said, if you need me to go through it, we can go through it, or you can actually come down the gym. And I always provide one session for online clients so they can come down and train. But anything past that, you would obviously have to pay. But I mean, it would be mega worth it. It's almost like a hybrid module, which I give clients sometimes. If clients want that, then I have to, obviously charge. But the amount you get out of it will be a lot more better for your coaching. So let me know what you think on that one. And then obviously you've got a second day here. So at the moment, I want you to do the first one off, second one off. First one off, second. So for example, Monday, train up top here. That's why I've put a gap in between this one. And then Tuesday off, and then Wednesday on here. Thursday off, Friday on, Saturday off, Sunday off. So you're going to have a week break over the weekend where you're just going to do cardio. Cardio, I'm going to put here. Cardio, I want on, for example, cardios. Okay, enable editing. Okay, here I want cardio. Right here, cardio. I want on a Saturday. Sorry, a Tuesday. Saturday. Why has it done that? Okay, so these are those I want you cardio. Cardio Tuesday and Saturday. You can have it in red. What I want you to do is 35 minutes. Cross trainer level 6 and 10. That's the resistance is 6, and then the uphill is 10. So far that's all good on there. And yeah, obviously I've given you a little check in here, 3 minutes 30. So please just make sure you listen to that. And about this, what you put here. All I'm going to say is that you are really under eating on some days, Jess, and it's not good. You need to hit your calories, okay? Please, 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 please hit your calories, Jess. You can go 200 under if you need to, if you really want to, but you need to make sure that you are hitting that calories, so to stop yourself from feeling like that. This is all I need to cover for now. You must do that. But for this week, crazy stuff. Well done. Have a good day, and I'll have a lovely weekend also. Speak to you soon.